Hi, I'm Cyndi McChesney, and I'm excited to introduce you to my newest book about fabric panels, Quilt Panel Magic. This collection marks a departure from my other two books, which focused on the detailed design process. Quilt Panel Magic features 15 panel-focused projects, including detailed instructions, clear illustrations, and beautiful examples. Each pattern is accompanied by photos of contributors' quilts, which demonstrate how to adapt the designs using different panels. The book covers a variety of styles of panels, from large solo and multi-image panels to companion panels, as well as some smaller projects for home decor, which also show you how to use up leftover panel images and coordinates. There's a general instructions section that I've included, which covers essential basics such as trimming and squaring up your panels, as well as basic unit construction, making this book and these patterns accessible to quilters of all skill levels. I hope you find the projects in Quilt Panel Magic enjoyable and creative, and that you will feel inspired to explore new ways to use your fabric panels.